Let's check out George Bagby State Park in Fort Gaines, Georgia. George Bagby State Park sits on 770 acres. They have 6 cottages you can rent. They do have picnic and group shelters. The lodge and the restaurant is closed right now. I believe they're planning on making some changes in the next couple of years to where they'll be doing more camping, but they have not changed it over just yet. So they do have a pretty good sized group shelter here. You have a whole little nice screened in area for kitchen area, and then potentially just a large like party area. So I peeked in the windows because it's closed right now. It's not being reserved for anybody, and it's just a great big shelter area inside. I don't know that y'all will be able to see through the windows, but you can just there's a bunch of chairs and things that you can like have a great big wedding here or a nice birthday party or something. So great big area.
Massive grill area.
Oh, okay. And the screen room, as my husband just said, is where the grill area is. So you have your kind of your outdoor kitchen over here. Oh yeah, you can see. That's a good size. Look at there. There's a huge grill to feed all those people. This state park is definitely set up for boating, fishing, swimming, and some hiking. It's just very well equipped for that. They had a really nice beach area that had a playground and swings and things, and then several picnic tables and grills in their day use area. The beach looked pretty good size and was very much populated while we were there. George Bagby State Park sits on a 48,000 acre lake. They do have a full service marina, store, and gas pumps. We did find this second little small dock that looked like it was mostly for fishing, but you could do small craft against it. This state park also has 6 cottages that you can rent. They have fireplaces and air conditioning. They do provide most of your like traditional linens, like for beds and towels. Some of the cottages do allow dogs. Some of these do have a fee for them, as well as having a fully stocked kitchen, which I thought was really neat. Also, as you can see in the pictures, they all have screen rooms on the front. These little cottages are all facing the lake, so you have a really great view, and they're just really cute little cottages. We drove up the hill to the lodge and restaurant that's up here. We have determined from the Georgia State Parks website that the George Bagby Lodge and restaurant up here is officially closed. They're planning on doing some camping facilities in the future, but have not started on that yet. So the lodge and the restaurant are both closed at this time. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you don't mind, how about leave me a comment what you did and did not like about this video. I really appreciate you watching, and have a great day. The next video I'll be posting is on Providence Canyon State Park.